Hello friends, in this video I will show how to hide dim display after from power options in Windows 11 or 10. So guys, to resolve this problem you can try this method. Click on start. Now search here CMD. Run as administrator. Click on yes. Now type this command line. I will give a description. Power CFG and this command. Then press enter. Now exit and restart your system. So this is the method guys. You can hide dim display after from power options in Windows 11 or 10. Thanks for watching. Comment this method work for you or not.